Welcome to the UT McDermott Library's tutorial using Mergent Online for company information. Mergent Online provides full-text U.S. and international company financial data, as well as U.S. and international company annual reports. Current industry reports and country profiles are also available. To access this and other online resources, start at the library's webpage, utdallas.edu/library. Click on the Databases tab in the left side of the screen, and then click on the letter M. Scroll down through the alphabetical list to select Mergent Online. Remember that for off-campus access, you will be prompted to enter your net ID and password. The search screen defaults to a choice of a basic company name or industry search, but an advanced search can be chosen from the blue tabs across the top of the page. An executive search, government filing search, or industry analysis may also be chosen. The executive search is an excellent source for brief biographies, executive compensation, and more specific details about top employees of corporations. In our example search, we will use Sony Corp, ticker symbol SNE, in the basic company search box. Type the ticker symbol or company name into the search box. Notice that as you type, the database suggests company names. Click on SNE NYS Sony Corp in the list, or continue to type the name or ticker symbol into the search box, and then click Go. The results screen will show the available company overview and blue tabs across the center of the screen leading to additional company information. Click the blue tab for Company Financials to view the most recent years of financials as reported to the SEC, Securities Exchange Commission. Use the drop-down arrows on this page to customize the report. You can change from annuals to quarters, change the type of report, or change the years that are covered. Up to 15 years are available. Each time you make a change to the report, hit refresh to customize. All reports and data in Mergent can be exported to an Excel spreadsheet by clicking the Excel icon above the financial information on the right-hand side of the screen. Use the other tabs to view annual reports or company reports. There are at least 10 years of annual reports. Also available are equity reports and industry profiles, which you'll find on the Company Reports tab. Use the My Mergent Tools or the blue Report Builder tab to tailor reports and data as needed. The Competitors tab shows 3 categories of competitors: Public US, Public Global, or Private. These categories compare the company you searched against its competitors on many financial levels, such as revenues, gross margins, net income, total assets, and other factors. For additional assistance with this or other databases, please contact the Jindal School of Management Library Liaisons, whose information is linked below the video. If you need help, you can reach us using the chat box on the library homepage. We can help you with whatever you need. You can also contact us using the link in the video description. Thank you for watching.